Okay, I'll just make some then.
Yeah. Let's see. Ah,
Where's the
need
furnace?
one more cable.
It's still upstairs, isn't it?
I remember how I used to hate copper cables. I still kind of do.
It just
Because
looks so much better to use glass fiber for everything, even though you don't need it.
oh,
Yeah.
not me. It's just because they take forever to make just to cook the sticky resin unless you got overclock upgrades.
Yeah. You can do it with like automatic crafting tables, but I've never found that to be like worth it ever.
Last time I made an automatic crafting table, it didn't even work. It
Yeah.
didn't even serve as a chest.
Yes. No, not yes.
Yes, no.
I got 3 sticky resin,
Nice.
but I need more.
Oh. I need more seeds.
3 more. Oh, bone meal. Why did I forgot?
Is the EMC collector up
No,
or condenser? I forgot the name.
the macerator is.
I've got the condenser. I'm gonna place it by those things.
Okay, I'm just gonna get a lot of chickens and fill Justin's room with it.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the 1 uranium ore I found.
To condense
No,
air.
not the uranium.
No, I'll use a sapphire then. And a few
Better.
emeralds.
Oh no, I
Better.
dug through the surface. Oops. Oh well. I feel
I
so
can
powerless with my flying ring.
I can still hear the energy generator.
Is your sound messed up?
No, I can just hear it.
Tell me when you got the I forgot the name.
Condenser?
Condenser, yeah, condenser.
It's in there. I set it up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
just-
use...
We need to like as soon as possible. I want to get all the stuff for a power flower, but it's gonna take a while.
Isn't it flower power?
No, it's a power flower.
Not flower power.
Well, the sign at my house on Ross's server says the flower power tower of flower power.
Flower tower power, flower of flower power.
Pretty much. Yeah. You only mangled it a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna make a door for Justin's room so the chickens won't get out.
Good plan.
Okay,
They're just so evil.
so I'm not evil. I'm giving him life. Okay.
Does hard mode affect like durabilities of things? Because my pickaxes have been breaking like crazy.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh,
Damn it.
Okay,
I messed up.
there's a few chickens in it, but I want to make more.
I messed up.
How bad?
Did you mess up?
I wasted some copper.
Oh. There's lots of copper in the world. We'll
Yup.
find some
Yeah.
more.
But there it is 3 less.
I think some of the chickens got out.
Are we just gonna have chickens like running around our house forever now?
I think. Yeah, there's 2 chickens got out.
Failure.
God damn it. You need a wrench to take down the generator, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or else it turns into like a machine block, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
God. Oh, damn it.
What happened?
Did you say nut nabbit?
Not Gab.
Damn it.
Okay.
Hey, you guys should come see Justin's room through the peephole. Oh, never mind, you can't see it. He closed it. Whoa, we got a pet chicken now. He's just walking around.
I'm doing a little bit of like starving to death IRL. So
I got the
I
12
gotta go
steaks. If you want.
Well, so you're gonna get off?
I
just for like 10 minutes, I think. That should be enough. I eat like a freaking dude, so.
Huh. Well, I don't know if this is. I'm probably. I don't know if I'm gonna stop recording after this video also because I gotta do some stuff too.
Okay. Yeah,
So
that well then in that case I'll stay until whenever you stop recording.
yeah.
Okay?
After this video, I'm probably gonna stop recording,
Okay.
okay.
and because I gotta go do some stuff. I gotta go. Yeah.
Oh, how do you make a wrench?
I think you need brass, don't you?
Bronze.
Bronze. Yeah.
Bronze. And
Tin
how do
and
you make that again? You need.
You need tin
dust,
and
copper
copper.
dust.
It's like you guys know everything about this, and I don't.
I watch
I've been playing for that
videos.
long.
Before I bought Minecraft, I watched a bunch of videos.
I didn't. I literally like I bought Minecraft because a friend recommended it to me, and then
I bought it because everyone else had bought it.
yeah,
Got
and
it.
then I died for like the first I don't know 20 nights. Of like, how do I do things? How do I craft anything? And then I got the hang of it and started building cool things.
Do you wanna know what I just realized? What we could have done with all the eggs instead of put them in Justin's room?
Probably
What?
something cool.
Yeah, make a farm. Justin's room will be the new farm.
Okay.
I need a sign to put on the door though.
If anybody has any basalt, I need it.
I only got marble.
Because the roof looks really ugly, and I don't want
Hey.
it to be like all cobblestone.
Ahorita en 2 minutos. Pues desde que me fui, Alex, ya pasaron más de 1 hora y media. Ajá, pues hice como 15 videos pues. ¿Qué pasó con tu mano? ¿Qué pasó?
Pues fue que me sobaron.
Oh, yo pensaba que más también se iba a ir el doctor.
Fui a primero que la sobaron.
Oh, ¿no se fue el doctor?
No.
Oh. Que pues, ahorita. Did you understand all of it?
Not quite. You
Nope,
were talking
not-
pretty fast.
That sounded slow. Oh, Justin's in.
Hey, welcome back.
I don't think he's in Skype chat.
I'm hosting, so I can't like chat back. I'm seeing that he's like chatting to me, but I can't chat back.
Oh no.
Oh, he's not gonna
Not
make it in
again.
time, is he? He's not gonna make it in time. Only 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left.
Someone is putting on my wall, and I don't know why.
Well, the video's gonna end like right now.
Okay.
Okay.